Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we take a hands-on look at the Turboant X7 electric scooter. The X7 boasts some pretty solid specs. This makes it an ideal choice for city commuters who rely on a lightweight solution. The scooter is geared with a 350 watts motor located in the front wheel, enabling it to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Then it has a detachable 36 volt battery, and this battery allows it to travel up to 16 miles on a single charge in ideal settings. One of the coolest features on this scooter is its detachable battery. It is located in the stem of the scooter, and you can easily take it out and bring it inside for a charge. This means you don't have to worry about dragging dirty wheels throughout your house just to charge your scooter. Now this also gives you the option of getting extra range. You can get a separate battery, bring it with you on the go, and then when the first one runs out, you can just swap them around and get double range. The scooter only weighs 29.7 pounds, and it folds together nicely for easy storage and transportation. You have a rear disc brake that can be activated from the handlebar and a foot brake for lighter braking. The X7 has 8.5-inch pneumatic tires. These will always be superior to solid rubber tires, as the air inside provides a bit of suspension. Riding on uneven ground and going over bumps will feel a lot smoother. Now, quite a few commuting scooters only have solid rubber wheels, so this is a nice addition that I am really happy about. At the top of the stem there's an LED display. On here you can see your current speed, the battery level, and the speed setting you are currently using. And you have 3 of those, which is really nice, because this allows you to get comfortable with the scooter before unleashing its full 20 miles per hour full power. Holding down the throttle steadily at the same speed for around 5 seconds activates cruise control. Now this is really nice to have when you're commuting. To disengage the cruise control, simply click down on your throttle or engage one of the brakes. Now some of you may know that electric scooter companies have a bad habit of overshooting their range estimations quite a lot. With this particular scooter I was able to get around 10 miles on a single charge using the top gear, gear number 3. In gear number 1 and 2 I would get around 14 miles on a single charge, which I think is quite good, to be honest. They advertise up to 16 miles in ideal conditions. I'm 170 pounds, and if you're lighter than that, you're probably gonna get just around 16 miles. To take the battery out, you lift the top cover on the stem and unscrew the battery cover. Then you grab the ribbon handle and pull out the battery. Simples. The only possible issue with the highly convenient detachable battery is that it is vulnerable to theft. It is the most expensive part of the scooter, so it would suck to lose it. That said, if someone were to steal it, they would have to know the exact scooter model and know just how easy it is to access the battery. However, you may want to consider bringing the battery with you if you leave it unattended in a public area. All in all, the Turboant X7 is a great electric scooter for its price. It has a higher top speed and a better range than most equally priced scooters. The list of features and the attention to detail that went into this scooter are great. A detachable battery is a great idea, and the 3 speed settings allow you to get comfortable with the scooter before unleashing its full 350 watts of power. The Turboant X7 seems to be one of the most competitively priced scooters available at the moment. This one sets the standard. Get $40 off this electric scooter by following the first link in the description and using the coupon code ERideHero at checkout. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.